2017 Gold Standard Football 2-box. Random numbers. Round 10. 5 people from this little tiny break right here are going to win a spot in a full case of National Treasures football. Random teams 21, which is full and breaks tonight. All right. Good luck. We're going to hit the randomizer 2 times to get your numbers first. Then we'll go back, randomize the list 3 additional times after that to see who wins the NT spots. Good luck, dudes. James 81 on the bottom. Juice Up Bulldog up top. 1. Second and final hit on the numbers. 2. T-Lock on top. And Gmail on the bottom. Here you go. T-Lock down to B Money. That's the top 33. Good execution, Cowboys. 40 seconds left. Field goal. Boom. 34-66. CSP 215 to Deal Osher. Breaks next. I don't know. Depends how quick this gets done. If we get this done in the next 3 minutes, we could break it next. Yeah, we could probably get the NT in. I'm going on intermission in 23 minutes. So I think we can get this and the NT case in. Melnard P to Gmail 67 to 99. Yeah.
It's everything you need it to be and more. Mercedes-Benz, the best or nothing.
All right, 3 more clicks. Top 5 spots are in the NT case. Good luck. 1. A-Dub up top. 2. G-Man TD2 up top. And the third and final one. Good luck. 3. Sam GA, James 81, Andrew FN 24, B Money, and Bobby B. You guys are in. Congrats. And that list right now. Freaking did it. Alright, let's see what comes out of the box. Box is 2 boxes. Here you go. First up, Robert Davis is actually second up. J-Hooch Hassan is first, 79 of 79. The last one ever. Steelers 6-time champs. There's Robert Davis, 37 of 79. Joe W, 1153. Travis Frederick, number 37 of 99. Joe W again with 37. Back to back, got a hit. Kendall Wright, jumbo jersey, 91 of 99. Rams fan. Corey Clement, auto rookie for the Eagles, numbered 111 of 149. 111, where's 11? Joe W. Alright. Travis Rudolph, number to 49, number 12 of 49. Buddha head. Golden Rookies blue. And Leonard Fournette. Dual jersey auto 7 out of 49. That is Sam GA with the Fournette. Great Sam. Box 2. Jerry Rice, 16 of 79. Joe Montana's jersey number. Makes that a 101 because they played together. And scored some touchdowns together and stuff. 101. Jerron Conley, 13 out of 79. James 81. Evan Engram and Davis Webb dual jersey. Number 22, 122 of 149. Blinded 1 in the 22 spot. Jarvis Landry 4-color patch, 45 out of 49. Football coach. Dalvin Tomlinson, 43 of 49, rookie auto on the Giants there. That is a turf iron. 2 cards left. 3-color auto patch, Tyler Boyd. 2 out of 25 for A-Dub, 45-45. And the final hit, Taywan Taylor, 22 of 99 for the Titans. Blinded 1 in the 22 spot. There you go, guys. That is it. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. Thanks for joining. Congrats to lucky winners. Until next time. Peace.